Hello guys, so today we're gonna go over solving equations by taking the square root. Now I'm gonna be doing a two-parter on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and go over one type of problems, and then on the other video I'm gonna go over the second type of problem. So whenever you're looking and you're trying to solve for by square root on both sides, main thing that you always want to do, you want to isolate, you want to leave alone the x squared or the parentheses. In this problem, you can see that what I need to leave alone is going to be the x squared, so that's going to be what I'm going to start with. So, pretty easy. First thing that you got to do, you got to put your line on the equal sign, and you're going to move everything to the right. So, I want to move that 25, so I'm going to do plus 25 over here, plus 25 over here. Obviously, those two cancel out, and the only thing that's going to be left for me to do at this point is gonna put it over here on the side. It's gonna be, well, I'll put it down. X squared equals 25. Now here is where we have to do what we call square root of both sides. So I'm gonna do here, and I'm gonna put 25 over here. You square root this side, and you square root this side. Now, the reason why we do that is because we have this power of 2, and the only way that we can eliminate it is doing by the square root. They're opposites of each other, so whenever you do one or the other, they cancel out. And the only thing that's going to be left is going to be your x. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and put x. And then on the other side, I forgot to put it, but you always do plus and minus, because we're still talking about quadratics, and usually you have two different answers. And this is the way I'm explaining it. I don't know if it's completely correct, but usually quadratic formulas or quadratic equations have two answers, so we're going to be putting the plus and minus to identify that we're going to be getting either two answers or one answer or imaginary answers. But regardless, we need the plus and minus. Now, all I need to do is figure out what is the square root of 25. The square root of 25, lucky for us, is 5. So my answer for this one is going to be plus and minus 5. And that is it. Now, every single question is going to be done exactly the same way, so make sure you stay and watch all the other problems. That way you can copy them down, make sure you get them all correct. But that is it for that one. So let's go ahead and do all the other ones.